Global Kernel-Based Virtual Machine Market Report Forecast to 2025. The global KVM market is expected to expand at 2.7% CAGR to reach a market value of United States dollars $1.156 billion by 2025. The Analog KVM matrix system segment accounted for the larger market share of 63.0% in 2018, whereas digital KVM matrix system is expected to register the higher CAGR of 3.2%. The Windows segment accounted for the largest market share of 68.7% in 2018, whereas the Linux segment is projected to register the highest CAGR of 3.7% during the forecast period. Regionally, North America accounted for the largest market share of 37.65% in 2018. However, the KVM market in Asia Pacific is expected to register the highest CAGR of 4.9%. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.